LU3, Tian, heavenly residence, celestial storehouse, or treasury. LU3 is located on the medial aspect of the upper arm, distal to the end of the anterior axillary fold, in the groove on the lateral border of biceps brachii. How to find LU3? Ask the patient to flex the biceps muscle against resistance. Locate LU3 below the anterior end of the axillary fold, in a groove on the lateral border of biceps brachii. Sometimes you can feel the pulse of the brachial artery here. Or, divide the distance of 9 between the end of the axillary fold and the cubital crease into thirds and locate LU3 a third of the distance from the axillary fold. LU4 is located in the sulcus 1 distal to LU3. Pericardium 2 is located 2 below the axillary fold between the two heads of the biceps brachii muscle. Needling, perpendicular insertion 0.5 to 1 no moxa. Actions: regulates and descends the lung qi, clears lung heat, cools the blood and stops bleeding, calms the puo, corporeal soul, and opens the channel and alleviates pain. Window of heaven points or window of the sky points comprise a group of acupuncture points located mostly in the neck, which are used to open the flow of qi through the neck area. Although the indications are generally based on Chinese medicine syndromes, these points are useful for addressing protracted neck pain in the context of an unconscious mind-body split. The window points were originally mentioned in the Lingshu, which listed the group of 5 in chapter 21 of that text. The points were stomach 9, LI18, SJ16, bladder 10, and lung 3. It was suggested that all 5 points were indicated for sudden precipitous conditions in which the rebellious qi upsurged to the neck but was then somehow blocked. The journey of the qi through the lung meridian started with the middle palace, passed through Cloud Gate, and now arrives at Heavenly Palace. This is a powerful point for the mind and spirit. Being a window of the sky on the lung meridian, LU3 has an enlightening and enlivening effect on the senses and spirit. Feeling shut in, closed off, and foggy mental processing, if originating from an imbalance in the lung official, can be helped with this point. It enables the person to feel cleansed, stimulates and brightens the sense organs, and helps the person let go of fears and negativity. A window of the sky allows free communication between the spirit of a person and the qi of heaven. This is especially needed when a person feels shut inside himself, unable to participate in life and relationships. When the receiver of qi feels itself to be disconnected from its source, from heavenly qi, nothing feels precious in life. Everything becomes debased, tarnished, or valueless. The heavenly quality of LU3 associates it with inspiration, cleanliness, purity, and revitalization, making it possible to see things in a new light and with the vitality appropriate to the lung when healthy. The lung has to balance the tension between abundance and severity, as autumn does between harvest and withdrawal. Autumn is a time of punishment of criminals and crops, of setting limits. When lung is in distress, it can be severely self-punishing as well as forgetful of the protective canopy it affords the other officials. Heavenly Palace, with its heavenly, refreshing attributes, can restore peace and the clear qi so essential to the lung. The name of the point, Heavenly Palace, indicates that these heavenly qualities are present in abundance. It is a palace or storehouse, a place of plenty. a reminder that metal needs and receives nourishment from the earth as well as from heaven. The spirit of a person can be nourished and strengthened with lung 3. This point can inspire and elevate the spirit and reconnect the person with a richer quality of life. Tian Fu is frequently used with LI18, support and rush out, or LI17, heavenly vessel. Lung 3 can also be used for its enriching effect with lung 1, middle palace, or with lung 7, narrow defile, when there is need for release and refreshment of spirit. Lung 3 is a powerful point to restore calm and vitality to the mind and spirit. Depression, claustrophobia, agoraphobia, forgetfulness. Combinations. We can combine lung 3 with kidney 27, kidney 25, for rebellious chi with dyspnea and inability to catch the breath. We can also combine lung 3 with stomach 13, lung 2, and heart 7 for dyspnea with rebellious chi, breathing with raised shoulders, and inability to taste food. For epistaxis, we combine lung 3 with Li4. For goiter, tumors of the neck, and swollen throat, we combine lung 3 with SJ13, or we combine lung 3 with SJ13 and stomach 11. For painful obstruction with difficulty bending and extending elbow, and pain and heaviness of the arm with acute pain of the axilla, we combine lung 3 with SJ13 and stomach 11. For purple-white wind blotches, pityriasis versicolor, we combine lung 3 with lung 4. According to several classical texts, moxibustion is contraindicated on this point as it can cause counterflow and disordered chi. Lung 3 opens the spirit and ancestral energy. It has a powerful psychological effect on all emotional problems related to the lungs. This point can be used as a first aid point for carbon monoxide poisoning. Lung 3 is appropriate for liver fire attacking the lungs. Also for floating corpse ghost talk, delirious speech seen in terminal stages of pulmonary tuberculosis. Consider lung 3 for mental confusion, severe depression, claustrophobia, agoraphobia, or forgetfulness. As a window, lung 3 can lift and revitalize the spirit of a person cut off or imprisoned within themselves, often as a result of the reaction to chronic grief or sadness. Lung 3 is commonly used with Li17 or Li18.